All right, I'd like to thank everybody for coming to our telecommunication webinar session. Hope everybody can hear me properly. If you can't, you can send me a message in the chat. And today, I'd like to thank everybody for coming. So I'd like to introduce myself. My name's Samuel. I'm a sales representative here at EnGenius Technologies. And today we'll be doing our voice commer telecommunication products. So the purpose of our webinar session today is to provide product knowledge, applications for our telecommunication products, and basically our bonus value for all our dealers and customers to take advantage of. So first, I'm going to go over EnGenius Technologies Canada and our presence across the entire globe. Then I'm going to go briefly into the different product lines, the SN902, the SP922 Pro, and the Freestyle 1. At the end, we're going to end with a Q&A session. You guys can, it's an open discussion during the presentation, so if you have any questions, you can send it to me via the chat, and I will try to answer them. If I can't, I will talk to you afterwards personally. So EnGenius Technologies. EnGenius Technologies, we're actually a subsidiary of Sinow Communications. Our headquarters are in Singapore, and our manufacturing plant is in Taiwan. We actually have divisions all across the world, from Dubai, California, Miami, and obviously here in Markham, Ontario. The Markham, Ontario location is take care of all of Canada, so we do business for all of Canada from New Brunswick to all the way to BC. So obviously, as you can tell, at EnGenius Technologies, we're all about long range. So from our data communication products all the way to our voice comm products, we're all about the superior range of our products. Our emphasis is to provide great range with great reliability for all our products, and we achieve this by using the 900 megahertz frequency in our voice comm products, which I will discuss in today's webinar session. So I'm going to move on to the next slide, and this is our telecommunication product line. So from the Freestyle 1 series to the Durafone 1X and the Durafone Pro. So some of you might be already familiar with some of these products. And the first one is the Freestyle 1. That's our residential SOHO product. It's single line. You can have multiple handsets per base. For the one base, it's up to nine handsets for the base unit. What's great about the Freestyle 1 is there is also a speakerphone for the handset and the base unit. It's slim, it's lightweight, and designed for residential and office environment. You get great line of sight transmission with the Freestyle 1 up to 3 kilometers, which is really amazing for just a residential and SOHO product. The next line is the Durafone 1X. The Durafone 1X is single line. It's expandable up to 4 bases and up to 9 bases per base. You get 6 hours of talk time and 50 hours of standby time. Great range with this Durafone 1X. Same range with the Durafone Pro. Durafone Pro is multi-line. It has 4 lines in the base unit, and you can support up to 90 Durafone Pro or Durafone walkies. And it's expandable up to 8 bases with 32 lines. You can, just similar like the Durafone 1X, you have 6 hours of talk time and 50 hours of standby time. So I'm going to go start off with the Durafone. The Durafone design, as you can tell, that's the handset. That's the Durafone Pro handset, actually. It has superior rugged design. It can absorb shock if it falls. It's great for heavy duty outdoor conditions. A lot of our customers use it because of its rugged design and its great range, which I'll go into more detail. The interface is easy to use. It looks like any other normal phone out there, and it's really accessible and really easy to use. So for all our telecommunication products, like the Duraphone and the Freestyle, they're all able to be used or implemented behind any analog port, so any PBX, voice over IP, anything like that. So the range of the Duraphone, this is the key selling feature of the Duraphone. It can get up to 250,000 square feet of facility coverage. You can have 12 floors of in-building penetration and 3,000 acres of property or open land coverage. That is ridiculous range for a phone, for any analog phone. You're getting maximum coverage with the Duraphone systems, either the 1X or the Pro. Another great key selling feature of the Duraphone is your ability to broadcast to all or group of handsets. You can broadcast from the handset to handset 1, 2, or you can identify a certain group that you want to broadcast to. And in the 1X feature, you can actually broadcast from the base. There's a speakerphone on the base, and you're able to broadcast from the base to multiple handsets or a group of handsets. Another feature of the Duraphone is the ability to have two-way full duplex communication between handsets to handsets. In the feature of the 1X, you're able to have communication between the base unit and the handsets. Or you can have half duplex communication between the handsets or the base. The broadcast feature is not like paging itself. You're able to broadcast, as in you're able to make an announcement over the system to all the handsets or to the base. So this is the two base units. As you can tell, they're fairly different. The 1X, because it's single line, and it has the feature of the speakerphone and the microphone, it's completely different from how we look at the Pro. The Duraphone Pro has 4 lines, and it doesn't have those speakerphone or microphone options, so you can't broadcast or communicate with the base unit from the Duraphone Pro. The antennas themselves are reverse thread, which is really important because not a lot of our dealers or end users or customers know that the antenna is actually reverse thread. So if you try to detach the actual antenna, you'll have to turn it the other way.